Hello guys, today here to see what is the generics in the C sharp. So what is the uses, what is the benefit, everything we're going to see today. So okay, so before that, why generics is needed in our C sharp and what is the use real? Okay, so here I have the class called my class. Okay, in the constructor I am assigning the integer value, okay, to the member variable that I am writing in the console dot write line. Okay, so this member value, whatever I create the new instance of the object my class, in the runtime if I assign the value, so it will be appear. Okay, this is fine. So I created the class and it will accept the integer. So if suppose I try to pass the string value, it will throw me the error because it cannot convert the string to the integer type. Okay, my requirement is that I want to make this classes more dynamic and type safe. Whatever the type which I assigning, okay, so I am passing the string or I passing the integer, I am passing double, whatever, it should accept me, and according to that it should return me the value. So for that, uh, C sharp give us the option to use the concept called generics. With the generics, yes, we can achieve by passing the dynamic type safe parameters. So in this, using a generic with a common class, I can achieve for all the types. See, if this case, it won't accept the string because it is an integer type. Okay, so I need to create the new class to achieve the same. But to reduce such operations dynamically, it should accept the return type also and the value based on what we creating the new instance, so it should accept. So that's why the generics come into the picture. So generics will helps you to create your classes dynamic type safe, whatever the type you assigning on creating the new object for that class, it will accept. According to that, parallelly it will accept the values in a dynamic fashion. Okay, let's go and create such a this class. I going to convert to the generics now. Okay, so generic, how we'll achieve? Yes, so you have to mention in the angle bracket with the type t. Okay, so here anyways, here in the angle bracket I am passing the type as well. So only we are used to pass the parameters value, but now we are going to pass the type by declaring like this. So this now member variable also, it's a dynamic, so capital T you should create. Okay, now this is fine, and here also T. Okay, so now everything is seems fine. So now this class converts to the generics. It will accept any type and any value based on the type. Okay, so now on creating the instance, so what it is asking, to angle bracket you should set the type. So then you have to pass the type of the value here. Okay, integer. Okay, so here also you should pass the type of that. Okay, so default, we'll check that whether it is work for the integer. Now in the console dot write line I'm going to write something, so we'll check that what is the return type. Just write me a return. Okay, on creating the new instance, okay, I am just writing the in a console write line a return type, uh, and just write the what is the return type on creating the new instance, and then the value of that return type. Okay, so now I going to write one more instance of the my class object with the different type. Now my class. Okay, now I will pass, so string type, this I called as base1 equal to new my class. Okay, here now string value. Okay, fine. So now what I did is I created the two instance with the different type. Okay, and accordingly the value which I passing here is the string. Okay, instead of one, anyways this is the string value. Okay, I'm just giving the name something like launcher. Okay, the same class based on the return type, now it's going to give me a different result. Okay, let's go and run this. In the main, it's going to create a two different instance of my class. Okay, I got the result. Okay, first instance type is integer system.in and the value is 1, and second is the type is system.string and the value is go freelancer. So based on the type, if you declare the value, it will be dynamically it will be generated. So this is the way that you can customize the class to the generics to make the class to accept any types, return types for the class members and the method as well and the field as well. So hopes you understand what is the generics. So okay, tomorrow if you declare the class like this, yes, you want to achieve the same logic in a different fashion but the methods are same, then please go ahead with the generics to achieve this. Okay, hopes you understand. If you have any doubt queries, please comment us. This is very simple tutorial to understand you, but you can make a little bit more complicated writing the methods. Method is very simple. So if you want to create a method, public okay, then you have to mention the type. Okay, and something like a method. Okay, you can call us method, and the type something like we can create a param and return the same type. Okay, return. Okay, so this is the method, the format which it will be. So okay, the same type, so type also it should be dynamic, so I'm returning the same type. Okay, so this is the way to create the method for a generic concepts. Hopes you understand. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you have any doubt queries, please comment us. Please subscribe our channel if you're not subscribed before. Please like my video if you like my video.